everyone, I'm Aditi and today I'm excited to introduce you to the Amazon Basics 20-watt Bluetooth soundbar speaker. Experience powerful audio with the Amazon Basics soundbar, a compact gadget that delivers a punch with its 20-watt output from two 10-watt drivers. Elevate your audio across devices from personal computers, smartphones, laptops to televisions and monitors, providing not just sound but a tactile experience. Versatility is key, and this soundbar excels in connectivity. Whether through Bluetooth, a 3.5mm aux port, or playing from a micro SD card or USB flash drive, the Amazon Basics soundbar has you covered. Immerse yourself in gaming or movie nights with enhanced ambience thanks to vibrant RGB lights and an LED display. Control is at your fingertips with user-friendly onboard buttons, allowing you to toggle lights, manage media, and adjust volume effortlessly. Despite its power and features, the soundbar boasts a compact design, perfect for smaller spaces, and its lightweight build ensures easy mobility wherever that audio punch is needed. For enthusiasts of deep and clear bass, the dual bass reflex system delivers the rich performance necessary for a truly immersive indoor cinematic experience. Concerned about battery life? Fear not, as the built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery ensures up to 7 hours of wireless audio play, even with RGB lights activated at a moderate volume level. Whether it is for your next big gaming adventure or just enhancing your daily audio experience, the Amazon Basics 20-watt Bluetooth soundbar speaker brings life to your soundscape.
Hi there guys, this is me, Korak. Now if you're looking to upgrade your sound system, investing in a quality set of speakers can make a big difference. But with so many options out there, it can be really hard to know where to start. Here's a guide to help you choose the right speakers for your needs. First, let's look at the type of speakers. Bookshelf speakers. These are smaller speakers that can be placed on a bookshelf or desk. They are ideal for small to medium-sized rooms. Floor standing speakers. These are larger speakers that stand on the floor. They are ideal for larger rooms and can produce more powerful sound, so perfect for house parties. Soundbars. These are long, narrow speakers that can be mounted on a wall or placed on a shelf. They are ideal for use with a TV and can provide a surround sound experience, perfect for your home theater systems. Bluetooth speakers. These speakers connect wirelessly to your phone or other devices via Bluetooth. They are portable and can be used anywhere. Make sure to check the battery life and charging time of the speakers before buying, as well as the type of charging cable needed. Some speakers also offer the ability to charge other devices through a USB port. One more element to consider is the frequency response. This is the range of frequencies that the speaker can reproduce. A wider frequency response means that the speaker can produce a broader range of sound. A good frequency response should be of at least 20 Hz to 20 kHz. So fellow music lovers, by considering these factors, you can now choose the best speakers for your needs and enjoy high quality sound in your home or on the go. Happy music listening!